You're surfing the internet and you're looking for an easy and simple breakfast or brunch idea that you can whip up within 15 to 20 minutes of your time because you're rushing to work or you're rushing to go to school. This recipe is for you because we are going to be making some delicious, spicy, flavorful potatoes, which are going to be so delish. You're going to peel half a kg of potatoes, then you're going to wash several times, chop up into pieces just like this, or you can chop to your own preferred shape. Then you're going to prep up some onions. We have Smokies and the key ingredient, which is peri-peri seasoning, and I have a touch of black pepper because in my food you can't miss some black pepper. Also, we have some salt and cooking oil for frying our potatoes. So I'm going to place my pan over high flame. Then I'm going to wait for the cooking oil to get ready, which is going to take around 2 minutes. You're going to drop in a piece of potato to check if the cooking oil is ready. And if the oil is hot, your potato is going to float. So you're going to add in the rest. So I'm going to add in a few more pieces of potatoes. So don't overcrowd your pan so that the potatoes can evenly fry. As you can see, the potatoes are not thinly sliced, so it's going to take around 3 to 4 minutes for the potatoes to fully cook. If you're going to be slicing thinly, make sure you fry your potatoes for around 2 to 3 minutes at most, or until you notice that the potatoes are cooked and crispy. As my potatoes are frying, I'm going to slice up my Smokies. This is after frying for around 3 minutes. And as you can see, the potatoes are getting that golden brown color. They're crispening up on the outside, tender on the inside. So I'm going to fry for 1 more minute. This is a very simple recipe, which is going to take around 15 to 20 minutes of your time, including the prep time of your potatoes together with onion. At this point, the potatoes are ready, so I'm going to use my skimmer and scoop out, shake off the excess oil and transfer to a plate. Then I'm going to be adding in the next round. The skimmer is going to help you carefully place in the potatoes into the hot cooking oil, and be very careful because you don't want to splash oil on yourself. If there's something that truly hurts is having a burn. So you're going to fry for around 3 to 4 minutes, and yeah, we're going to go to the next step. Once ready, you're going to scoop out, shake off the excess oil and transfer to the rest. Then I'm going to put out the flames and transfer my hot cooking oil to another burner. You're going to place the cooking oil aside to avoid injuries. Then you're going to pick another pan for adding flavor into our potatoes. So now I'm going to place over medium-low flame. Add in a touch of cooking oil. Once the oil is ready, you're going to add in your half-moon onions. Add in a touch of salt to the onions, which is going to draw water from the onions and cook the onions very fast. I'm going to stir in. Cooking your onions is going to take around a minute. You don't need to brown your onions, so you're going to cook until translucent. The salt also is going to season up everything. Potatoes ready, smokies are already chopped up, ready to add into my pan, and also we have some seasoning. When the onions are soft, you're going to add in your smokies into the pan. Toss together with the onions. Smokies are ready to eat, so you don't need to cook for a long time. So for this recipe, we are going to be cooking for around a minute on each side to add a bit of color and also to cook the smokies and also to cook the smokies. Toss my smokies together with the onions, and we are getting that perfect golden brown color. So at this point, I'm going to be adding in my seasoning. A little bit more salt. Immediately the seasoning hits the pan, the black pepper, the peri-peri seasoning is going to get very flavorful because we are tossing together with the onions and smokies. So it's going to get very, very aromatic in your kitchen. So once you notice that the color is perfect, you're going to add in your potatoes, your potatoes. This is a recipe for around 2, and it's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even lunch or dinner. So I'm going to toss up everything, adding the rest of the potatoes. Just keep on stirring or tossing so that the onions don't burn. And once ready, you're going to be garnishing with lots of coriander, parsley, or garnisher of choice. Make sure to generously season with salt so that the dish can be perfectly seasoned. And once ready, you're going to be serving. I have a huge platter, so I'm going to transfer my potatoes. Enjoy the potatoes while still warm. Going in for a second bite because this is so delicious. I love that we have that spicy kick. The peri-peri seasoning adds in a very nice flavor. The black pepper, my oh my. And this recipe is for around 2 to 3 people because you can serve as a side dish. Maybe you have some fruits, some baked beans on the side, and the meal is going to be fantastic, delicious, and so easy to whip up. Bye-bye.